Melissa here with you today, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a t-shirt that has twisted side seams. If you look closely, you'll see here's the side seam here, and here's the side seam here when they are straight and flat at the arm side. This is because it is very common on modern, quickly and cheaply made t-shirts for them to be twisted because they weren't cut exactly on the grain. The first thing I need to do though is I need to cut up the side seams of this t-shirt, and I'm going to go ahead and cut straight up through the sleeve. Okay, this extra little flap here that is from this t-shirt being serged, I'm going to cut that off. I don't want to cut off the sleeve hem, and then I do want to repeat this on the other side. Okay, once I have the side seams cut, I want to lay this t-shirt out flat and figure out how much I need to cut to untwist it. So I am pinning this together, back together at the bottom of the arm side here, at that seam, because it wasn't twisted there. The twist just grew down the side seams. Okay, so I'm going to cut this piece off so that this has a straight side seam now. And when I check, when I flip this over, you can see it was twisted the same amount on the other side. Then I would just do that on both sides, re-sew the side seams, it would be untwisted. So here is my untwisted t-shirt. Side seams match now. Check out this playlist for more upcycling tutorials, where I take things that I either owned or found at the thrift store and change them into something I will wear more.